work. I got it now. Oh my gosh.
Watch out.
Nancy, we're gonna wait till nighttime. It's only like,
I don't think I had it on video.
Oh man, I just thought
I just ended it.
I had it on video.
I have.
Adam, you want to play again?
I don't know how to do it.
What's the point? It's not dark yet. Put it up. Don't touch it again.
Nathan, it's not lit. It's already used. We missed some.
Get back now.
Oh, that was perfect.
Oh my gosh. So later in the night, we're gonna do big ones.
Yeah, you can't shoot right this way, dude.
So have all the.
You're Nathan.
Where are you going?
I'm not going. I'm gonna shoot that. You think it's going to rest like that? That's the car. Go back to the top.
I'm tired of winning.
Me too.
Whoa. I'm scared of it. Oh no. I'm a little scared. Just a little bit.
Watch out, watch out.
Oh!
Do you think that would have any fumes in it? Yeah. Has like gas and fire. I know, that's why.
So, yeah, that was awesome. Adam, what is it? Squeeze. Sparklers! I mean, not a sparkler. No! I want a sparkler! I don't know if I can record me holding a sparkler. Such a record this. Oh my god! I'm so scared now. You scared me. Stop it! Ah! No, I want a sparkler. Where is that? Far away. Sonny, I'm recording it. Be quicker. What is it? Oh, the weather. Where is it? Nope. When I lose it, I get scared. Right there. Is that done? Hold on. Nathan!
Watch it.
Okay. One more.